The ST1 comes as a logistics specialized cargo or refrigerated cargo model. Beyond these, it's also expandable for various other purposes. It is explained that this is not merely limited to being just a vehicle, but rather, as a physical device, it enhances its economic value through the integration of a data open API. This data open API provides a freely usable data communication method for client companies and partners. Through the data open API applied to the ST1, Hyundai can deliver necessary information such as real-time vehicle operation data and vehicle operation analysis data directly to the client system. This allows for more efficient vehicle management. Furthermore, the infotainment system, distinct from Hyundai's usual, utilizes an Android operating system, enabling clients to develop diverse applications exactly as they desire. The ST1 cargo and refrigerated cargo models differ in using a chassis cab with either a standard or refrigerated compartment. The vehicle I'm test driving now is the refrigerated cargo model. The ST1's front design is a semi-bonnet type, which is safer in a collision. Black-colored protectors have been applied to areas frequently exposed to scratches, such as the front and rear bumpers and the side garnish. And above, with a streamlined roof spoiler and the garnish connecting the cab to the cargo area, it not only adds to the design, but also further enhances its aerodynamic performance. Inside, the gear shift unit is an electronic button type. The instrument cluster in front is a 12.3-inch color LED display. It's a floating type without a separate cover on top, but it still provides a very clear view while driving. Because its placement is quite high, it also fulfills the function of a head-up display. And right in the middle, you'll find a 10.29-inch touchscreen display. Overall, all the operational buttons are touch-type. This central screen, however, faces directly forward rather than angled towards the driver, so its visibility is slightly less clear compared to the instrument cluster. Also, the distance to this control panel is quite far, and since the ST1 only has front seats, there's not much storage space. While you could utilize the frunk at the front, if there are two people occupying the front seats, the available space for storing items becomes somewhat insufficient. To address this, there's a large capacity console in the center and separate storage compartments on the dashboard. The door trim also has layered sections to create various storage compartments. The cargo area has a sliding door on its left side and twin swing doors at the back that open on both sides. These twin swing doors open to 90 degrees by default, but if you release the inner fixing device, they can open up to 258 degrees and are held in place by magnets on the cargo compartment. Thus, it becomes quite a bit more convenient to load and unload cargo. And at the bottom rear of the cargo area, there's a long step assist footboard, which makes getting in and out of the vehicle a bit easier. The cargo compartment's height is quite low, offering easy access. Both the side and rear of the cargo area also utilize electric locking systems, not manual ones, significantly improving convenience. Plus, even if you're unexpectedly inside the compartment and the doors close and lock, you can simply pull the inside lever to get out. The refrigerated cargo model also features new insulation material with low thermal conductivity for high insulation performance. Furthermore, the refrigerated cargo compartment's flooring is made of aluminum, effectively preventing both corrosion and slipping. As for the ST1's colors, the exterior is creamy white and the interior is available only in black. Also, unlike existing commercial models, the ST1's platform is based on a third-generation ICE platform. Based on this, it's developed as a low-floor EV platform for easy loading. Both the cargo and refrigerated cargo models come equipped with a 76.1 kilowatt-hour battery capacity. The certified single-charge driving range is 298 kilometers for the refrigerated cargo model, while the cargo model is certified for a longer range of 317 kilometers. It is equipped with a 350 kilowatt ultra-fast charging system that allows it to charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 20 minutes. Regarding driving performance, the motor's maximum output is 160 kilowatts and its maximum torque is 350 newton meters. Currently, the vehicle is unladen, in an empty state. Nevertheless, the accelerator pedal's responsiveness is quite instantaneous and truly exhibits the characteristic responsiveness of an electric vehicle. It features two driving modes, specifically Eco and Normal. To its side, you'll find the auto hold feature, and even while driving, you can conveniently view the rear or front camera feeds on the screen. With the built-in navigation, you can use the split view to check rear traffic. The electric efficiency of this refrigerated model is slightly lower than the cargo model. It's certified for 3.4 kilometers per kilowatt hour, and the cargo model at 3.6 kilometers per kilowatt hour. Its overall length is 5,625 millimeters, and its width is 2,015 millimeters. Its overall height is 2,230 millimeters, quite tall, so confirm the maximum allowed height before entering underground parking. Meanwhile, the lower loading height makes loading and unloading cargo easier. This refrigerated cargo model measures 1,608 millimeters high and 2,562 millimeters long inside. Width is 1,750 millimeters. Cargo volume is 7.2 cubic meters. Above all, the ST1's biggest improvement over existing commercial models is its ride comfort. The platform itself has a different starting point, utilizing a third-generation platform found in passenger models. They've further prioritized ride comfort by incorporating a high-rigidity subframe member at the front and a hydraulic rebound stopper at the rear. Specifically, when the vehicle is unloaded, there's usually a slight rattling sensation from the rear. However, due to the influence of this hydraulic rebound stopper, it demonstrates remarkably stable movement, even when driving with an empty load. Additionally, the windshield and the front door windows have this.